Hey everyone, Luther from Anime Growl here, back again with another unboxing video. This time I've got a few boxes of figures and some plush, so let's go ahead and get started. Now before we jump right in, right as I was about to get started unboxing the other boxes, the FedEx guy came in with these 3 boxes, all from Good Smile, so we should have a few more boxes of figures to unbox. So starting off with the figures from the first shipment, I've got Nezuko from Demon Slayer. Here we've got Sparky from Demon Slayer. Following the Mugen train here, we've got Tanjiro from Demon Slayer. Here we've got a figure of Shinron from Dragon Ball Z. Here, this is a new figure for us here at the store. It's Ninja Ram. We've had the Ninja Ram for a little bit, but this is the partner figure to that. Here we got a restock on the Spring Hatsune Miku. Here we've got a character from That Time I Got Reincarnated as a Slime. Here we got a restock on Froppy from My Hero Academia. This figure went very quickly last time, so if you guys want one, be sure to come in quick for it. The second box here seems to be just about all plush. We've got a green llama. Got a set of small white llamas. Pink llama. Purple llama. This one has a nice warm hood, ready for the winter season. Got a Yeehaw Cowboy llama. Here we've got a blue llama. A pink llama, this one with earmuffs and a little scarf. And that was it for the llama. Now open this box. It has more llamas in it, but they're all repeats of the ones we just looked at. But it also has another smaller box inside of it. This box is a lot of repeats, but the first thing we got out of it that was unique to it was all-time Hatsune Miku. Then we have a character from One Piece. Here we've got Sabo from One Piece. And this is one of the, I believe, antagonists from the One Piece movie Stampede. Here we've got Racing Miku. These EXQ Mikus are always super nice. This one's got great texturing on her racing suit. Now onto the surprise Good Smile order. Starting things off, we've got a Asuka figure. Here we've got a new Miku for us. This is Miku in kind of a casual school outfit. Here we've got Zoro from One Piece. Here's a restock on a Toho Project character. Starting off the second box, help stay healthy this flu season with white blood cell from Cells at Work. To help them out, we also got platelet from Cells at Work as well. Here we've got a character from Is This Order a Rabbit? Here we've got Quaru from Evangelion. He does not go with the Asuka from earlier, but we do have a Shinji in stock that goes with him. Here we've got Ava Unit 1. Here we have the main female protagonist from Weathering With You. And we also have the male protagonist from Weathering With You as well. Now their bases do connect together to form one large figure, or you can have them separate as two standalone figures. On to our final box. In this box we've got a restock on Monster Hunter Blind Boxes, Volume 12. We also have some new model kits that we got from Good Smile. I don't think these are specifically Good Smile branded ones, but they're pretty neat looking. And that will just about do it for today's shipment. We've got a bunch of new figures in, some restock figures, as well as all these cute looking llama plushes. But as always, if you want to stay fully up to date with what we get in stock, be sure to check out our website and our Facebook page where we post full lists of what comes in, because I won't always be able to get videos out on everything we get in. Thanks for watching.